up
And
the
then go
breast,
boom.
wash off underneath the breast. You see me? Yeah.
I don't mind if my man wash my back or my breast, but me wash my own
Mama, the
front.
hunger place, me
Me
nah
wash
washing
my
up,
own
mama.
front.
That is the sexiest thing when your man stand up behind you with a stiff cocky and reach over and I wash your front and I wash you up like
No,
this.
no, 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 no. Me wash my own front.
I love wash my woman front in a car. When the cocky dead in it, stand up back same time from a touch it. Oh! Oh! Your cocky build up back
Listen,
muscles.
what?
Oh, that, hey, me tell a man say, see the only gym class me love. And when me and my woman I go, mighty God. Some weight to me lift. Pussy clad, it's a marker boy. Lift weight till him can't lift weight some more.
You get
Fuck.
exercise, eh?
Mama, he want a bumbo club vein in a bumbo clot. Clot in a whole piece
Your
of
cock is like you can put 2 weights on all your cocky and it hold it.
me if you tell you vein for days, mama. Yo, leave me, make me come off of this bumbo clot, yeah, man.
Go put one in my water bucket on top and if you can hold a water bucket. If you can hold a water
Do
bucket
your
on top,
sample.
Eh?
Yeah,
And I
sample do it.
I just the truth is
yeah,
it.
one view with you all up a water bucket on it, I'm good, me believe you.
They say one view, alright, no
Yeah, with
worries.
you with the water bucket, just hold up the water bucket on it.
I hope when I get the one view, you know, but I left your man, you know.
Hear that?
Don't come to Jamaica, me can't bother, that's too much work.
Mama, you
Girl,
know, have to come on.
remember you live in a
Remember, we
Florida,
take,
girl,
remember,
an
we's
hour
a
flight for
traveler,
you.
darling. We's a traveler. We
Darling.
don't stay one place too long, you know.
Okay, but darling, let me tell you why I don't like long distance relationships. You see, when you come and you suck my hole, I don't want fuck. So when you fly out now, what me fi do?
You go and hold it, man. I
Hold
say
it
you
what?
go. I say you're gonna pay attention towards the person, you know. I say you're gonna know if you really love him, you know.
No, me not really
You see
love
me?
long distance.
Yeah.
Trust
Remember the
me,
man
Chaz,
now
I
go
did
away
that
for
shit
long. Him now
before.
go away for long. He's coming back,
You
and I
say
like
that
man
is?
now come back.
I did the long distance before,
Yeah,
like
do it. Me try it
when
and man nearly
I
kill
had
me.
I had a man in Jamaica and whatever, and I would literally fly down like 2-3 times a
One
year.
thing me
You
know,
did a fuck a sniper when you
Goddess,
got nephew and a long distance and then you
Goddess,
kill me.
one thing me know. Any man where they are Jamaica, they with a girl in foreign, pussy hole no bound forget bumbo clot bun. So no just telling a blood clot self that, and that's the fucking truth.
All right, but that's
Yep.
the point. I don't want to be fucking 2 niggas, so it don't make sense. I might as well fuck with a nigga that I know. Hey, baby. Okay, I'm around the corner. Are you coming home? Yeah, I'm here all night, every day.
Let me like the worst thing to find out is when you about to
Yeah,
go
man,
fly out to your
your
nigga.
whole and left you to
Yeah.
blood clot. Warm up your radiator and not bleed it. You don't know, so when you're there in New York and place, you have to breathe your radiator. Winter time coming, you gotta open up the thing, let out the water. Until you
I
see
own
no
him,
more water.
I own him shape good
Let's call
body.
her Steph. Steph, we are call her Steph. Yeah, we
I
know.
wish she.
No, but me like her. Yeah, long distance is a no. Yeah, me can't do it. Cause when my old ready, you know, sometimes the day I know, you beat all the pum pum, you know. That's what I'm trying to say. Some of them old man, yeah.
Yo, me they are foreign. In our day, I may have a little link pull up on my foot. I want you to pull up on my foot. Me and I stay a bupad. All a 1 5s and thing, and we don't know the vibes. It's like a dog, she have a dog at Jamaica. It's like the dog a link woman and say, yo, oh, she not answer her phone. And woman turn to me and say, right now, that man there Jamaica, and me there foreign, and me want them boy there with their Jamaican, I feel like say them all get bun. I'm looking at myself and I say,
Bumbo.
see why me glad me is not only a Jamaican, me is a traveler. So when a girl feel like say she can't style out my thing. Hey girl, me style out my yours.
Take a fucking flight. Take a business class flight. What you
Hold
mean?
on, do it. Let me ask you a question now. Say, me and you know, come me there Florida. So, say you come in a town, you're there for 1 week. And you leave out back.
Yeah.
3 days later, if me get honey, you fly back in.
Oh, you mean? How are the bumbo clock there? Yo, let me tell you something. He's this type of nigga. You see, from your interest me certain way be, me can't tell you this. You know, real blood clot. Like, all if I walk, me have to walk all the journey, mama. Me walk the journey. Lost clot.
You know
Me
why
tell
you
a
want
man,
me know why
me
you're
tell a
tired.
man say before me start traveling world, you know. I 14 parish me traveling at this blood clot, yeah, and my dog them always say, dog, how you do it? Eh? I want anyway, me say
If
for
I
your
chat him, I
interest.
chat ya girl. Him not go fly in just 3 days later. I'm gonna be baby. Remember so next weekend I book the flight for you know.
Mama, that's
And you're
easy now,
gonna
mama.
get
You hear me tell you, hear the word when me use interest. I don't love, I don't like. You have to just interest me. A matter of fact, give me that intriguing thing about it to say, yeah, you know that girl I'm have to look
Yeah,
into.
what a way
Like,
do I use big words and know what they
oh,
mean?
school,
Oh.
me the gas
yeah, I
school
know
still
what
in
I
a mama,
mean.
just I give the I give sometime, you know, mama, you see me?
No,
Yeah,
that
we
is
did gas
stupid. I
school.
know what you mean.
You see me? Yeah, we did gas school in a real
No,
life, but
some
you
people
see
use
me?
big words and don't know what the fuck it mean, don't know
No,
the
cause
meaning
you
of
go
the
on now, them
word.
just them hear people attack and just feel like them want to fall and you know them last them we and they even know say yo
Do it. Me can't. Me, honest to God, do it. Me like.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like. Me like.
Mm.
You don't know because me's a wife material and me always lock man in with my good one. Me love to sleep at night time and feel a cocky on my body and hold me and I sleep. And
Alright,
me
me gonna
love
ask you a question. Me ask you a question, Cash me. You know there's a difference between treating your man and caring for your man. You did know that?
Mm.
her and
You can't only care for him and not treating him. Did you know that?
Mm.
You have to have a
I know
mixture.
that. I think
You
I
have to
know
have
that.
the
That's why
mixture,
I'm a
right?
old man. I think I know.
Eh? What you say?
I know about that. That's why I was a wife and a old man.
Alright then, me not have to say nothing more to you again. You understand? Because when the older man right now, if you not have them two them two characteristics there, is it?
Characteristics. I got you, Dewey. I got you.
Yeah, yeah, yes, darling,
That is
yes.
the best.
Class is in session.
Backup singer right
Yes,
now.
God is. Yes. God is said, hey, now me look like an idiot on the internet. I want to
No,
them. I want
no.
them,
No,
man.
no, no, no. Your tongue just get a little twist. It just like it get a
Yeah,
little
yeah.
twist.
Yeah,
Yes,
that is
teacher.
it.
Yes,
That
teacher.
is it.
Yes, teacher.
Isn't it?
Hey, let me
So,
tell you something, Dewey. You know what?
the set good type it there.
You just,
Just
right, that's
like
right.
right now, and me I
Characteristics.
work for my business and my man said, babe, still want me to take care of you. Go and focus on that because I know some business I work on. And I will just give him nice texts and baby, I appreciate you.
I
And
mean,
I love you.
alright,
You
that's
see,
how thing
sometimes they
come
come
down.
around 4:30, you know, to say, I always say even when I'm on the live, baby, you ready to eat?
I mean,
Are you
yeah, the
ready?
woman at the yard in there, ensure, make
House
sure
well
some man come home,
clean,
come
food
get some.
cook,
You
pum
see me?
pum clean. So even if me have to put on up on mute or click on a blood clot off and give him a quick backers, I can do that.
Like that, I mean. Cause sometimes man come in, you know, exhausted, you know, and just want that little cheer up there, you know, the only thing can cheer him up for
That's
that
why I was telling hold on
me.
there, stick a pin in that Dewey. That's why I was telling Cash Queen on we was having a conversation on the phone. And I said, Cash, that's why sometimes man just you have to suck your man hood sometime. Suck him hood.
I mean him come in from work, he say, baby,
Coming
go
from
wash off.
work,
Go wash off
wash
that.
off.
Come let me wash off that for you, baby. Just
Right.
wash it off for him and
And,
just say,
and the food
and you
already
tell him
done
go in the
cooked.
bathroom, go all a bed. And you just go
Yeah,
in
and then
there
be
on
like,
him.
yo, babes,
You see me?
if him
Yeah.
smoke and drink, yeah, babes, let him relax and give that man a blowy.
Dear, mama, I'm gonna tell you something to remember, you know. You see, if you cherish that cocky there, you need to make sure say you have at least
I
5
got
to
you,
10.
brother nurse.
Hold
I'm
on,
gonna fuck you up.
hold
I'm
on,
backing your
mama. I'm
ass
gonna show you
too.
something now. Make
Ah,
it nice.
bitch, get the fuck
Cash
from
Queen,
over
let me tell
there.
you something for nice up the thing, the man. Shut up, the man.
Oh, yeah, black out.
See, if you know, say you cherish that cocky there, another cocky there, gonna live in your hole till they're dead. You need to have more than 5 champagne for your week. They say every time that you gonna suck it off, you know, say a polish, you gonna polish it off, and not only suck, you will go on now.
Yeah.
Champagne you use. You see me? Polish it off. So you
Yep.
see when some boy feel like them can't fuck themselves, they say, hey boy, remember polish me, I polish that, you know. I know
Okay.
suck me, I suck that blood clot. You see me?
Right,
So
that's
you have to
right.
bad up the thing, mama. You get me? I say, come
Yeah.
like them little thing there, in the car. I one of my woman me learn from, you know, mama.
Hear
Me tell
that,
you
hear
when
that. Hear that
when she
dirty
a
man
day
there.
with the
One of
rifle
him
in the mama, me I
woman.
tell her
Hold
she a
on,
use
hold
it.
on. Let me
She a
ask you a
use
question.
it. She a use hold on the man. She a use the champagne and the champagne a bubble pon. A bum blah 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 blah
Champagne
Oh, I
shower.
know what she's doing. She's putting the champagne in her mouth, and so the bubbles from the
Y'all
champagne.
saw the
Oh,
professional super
oh
just now?
Jesus,
Oh,
baby.
let's
Oh
see the
Jesus.
professional right
Oh
there.
Jesus. When that bubble them a pop it, hey,
Hey,
mama, you ever drink the champagne and
no,
you feel the bubbles them in your mouth?
Dewey, you have
Would
to
you,
get a
you want to feel
Dewey.
that panel who dead mama with the
No,
bumbo clot
Dewey,
here?
Dewey, you
Mama, you
have to
ever see
try
when a
this
man put,
one.
mama, you ever see when a
Now,
man toe straight yet?
Monica
I
saw
would
that.
the
I got it
mama
for you.
bumbo blood clot. Mama, the man stand up free. I'm going to show you something. I say man stand up free, so now move. You can't stay there. You think joking on my thing? Yo, me say, me nah ask Christ. You see that girl there? She not the baddest, you know. But she a one of right now in a real life because me never know champagne could have make man. Yo, all Spanish me want
Dewey,
talk
Dewey,
and
What
me,
about
me know
you know the
the forest,
halls?
me know when a Spanish
Yeah,
a
you know
una
the
dos tres
halls.
cuatro cinco
You know when you
siete and
eat
whatever I
halls.
want it. Me no know
You know
nothing
when
more.
Dewey. You know
Eh?
when you eat the halls
Yeah.
and they give you that, and you go like that, you feel a cool breeze. Make a girl
Mama,
eat
me
the
eat,
halls
me
and
hunger
then.
eat hard when my throat hurt. Me no eat hard for
Yeah,
nothing
but
else.
the
Just
girl
leave me
and the
alone.
man.
You
You
are
see when a
explain
man
yourself.
eat a halls, ladies.
Explain yourself and leave me alone.
Then let me explain it. You see when a man
hold on,
eat a
I got a next
halls,
one.
ladies, and eat the pum pum, and then him taking time and go so on the front.
Phoenix got halls and ice. That's
Cash
it.
Queen, come down now. Come
Hold
get the
Halls
on,
and
I
fuck
have a
down
next
now.
one. Hold on, I got a next one. So I got this. I got this at the porno store, the sex shop. It's a BJ candy. It's like Pop Rocks, and you put it in your mouth. It's basically candy. You put it in your mouth and you put it on the man oud, and you start, you know what I mean. And it feels like pop rockets up on him oud, girl. The man just say ooh eek walla balla bang bang.
Yo, me like that word there. Walla balla bang bang. Anytime my woman
that
give me that
sound
something that
that
thing, I
sound
go say walla
different.
balla bang bang bang.
But
Don't fuck with me. Walla balla bang bang bang.
somebody gonna
Bumbo
get
cloud
got
talk
his
them
phone.
bud. Walla walla bang bang.
Sound different.
Yo,
She said,
yo,
ooh,
yo, God, so where you find
walla
that one
walla
there?
bang bang.
Walla walla bang bang. Walla bang bang.
That
No,
sound
you have to
different.
add in there.
Yo, Cash Queen.
Walla
Me
walla
I got
bang
boss
bang.
a nut today. You see my boss a nut today, me I go say, what about bang bang? I mean I come back come tell them
And
where.
she gonna be like, her legs gonna be
Yeah.
up like this and like, what you just said?
What you just say? Me I go
Walla
say,
balla
me I
bang
come
bang.
back come tell you no. Me I come, what about them bang bang?
Mine just said, God, this after that, she box you.
Yo.
No, but it's a
And that me
candy.
I forgot do mama put it now one song to Pussy Clot. When mama hold on on the long john, she say walla bang bang.
You have to say it like that. Walla bang bang. Yeah.
Walla bang bang. Yo, that thought them bad. Not even a chopper can find that talk, yeah. What the fuck? Walla bang bang.
Walla bang bang.
Don't fuck up.
Pop rocks on the cocky. Whoa.
Yeah,
Amen.
I'm telling you.
Hey,
Yo, you
yeah.
do that, your mind will be like, yo, babes, but nah, got no way, you know. Oh,
What do you feel about this thing?
matter of fact, I can buy one some, and I can
You
try it
know,
for my
sir,
man.
what do you feel about that thing? I'm going to buy it. I'm kind
I
of.
can try it for my man. See if him like it.
A couple times. I get it from TikTok.
Wow.
It's got a good flavor, but me never really.
What that? What that?
What that do?
The gummies for the oil.
You're supposed to make like your pussy so wet.
Wow.
Cash Queen, let me
my
teach you, may
I
I
rather
teach
my
you
pussy
something
get
in a
natural
life.
than
It's
regular.
called
If you not naturally have a wet pussy,
it's
not with them
not
pussy
why
up.
I buy it. It
Eh?
also is a probiotic for the pum pum. It just
Woman
has
say,
slippery elminate. See, it says slippery elminate. But me not use it. Me just buy it. You know, TikTok shop always I get me. Thank you, Steph.
Oh, Dewey, that's that Walla Walla Bang Bang. That's a
Can you believe,
song.
Steph, can you
That's from
believe
a
I'm
song.
44,
I
girl?
wish sang that mama.
Me don't know we don't know the artist
Listen,
name, but they be like ooh ting ting Walla Walla Bang Bang.
Old time
You never
song
heard
that.
that before? He's too young.
That's an old time song.
Yeah.
Come out of the camera, man. Oh God, look like that driver nuts.
So when me I smoke, different type of smoke in a seed.
What's that, a vape?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
it's a vape, but it have weed oil in it.
yeah.
Oh, okay. I had that
Oh,
before.
Dewey, I'm gonna take something with you today.
Yeah, it is a
Marijuana.
song.
Oh, Zoe, if you here, wait.
No
I'm finally gonna
marijuana.
take the last one.
Deaf,
Yeah.
but what that?
People are post them things.
Hey, hey, goddess, how long I had this now?
Yo, wanna notice? Wanna know what going on in Ireland right
Zoe,
now?
do you realize you gave me this over like 2 months ago? Look at Zoe, you still have that cheese.
Yes.
My niece used to work for the company where you get edibles.
Hey, funny you said that. Look on this. I found this shit in my drawer yesterday, and I had
Remove
this
do
shit.
it,
Them
do it,
pussy
lad,
are
God, do it. Them say you're sure him sure the vape. Do it, come back.
They might take me too. I showed mine. Shit.
Damn, I wonder if they know what the packets look like. Shit. They on everything. Damn, they don't miss nothing a blood clot.
Yo, I had this in my drawer for about a good
Zoe,
6 months.
Zoe, look. I got like 1.5 left, though.
So take one now.
Yo,
Look at this.
how where them black me for? Where them
Try
restrict me
to
for?
show the
Because
vape.
you showed the vape.
Yo, look at
Oh,
this.
all
I
I
have
want
this.
to my vape different from Bandic vape.
Yeah, yours is different.
Zoe,
Yours is
look, I
different.
got like this.
I chew me tell the pussy them say weed oil in I go sort them mama man.
Yeah.
I
Yo,
be
look at
taking
this.
little pieces like this. That's why.
So take a
I
piece
found,
now. Take a piece right now.
yo, I found this shit in my drawer.
Why
This
you
shit been in
trying
my
to turn
drawer.
me into a damn crackhead, bitch?
Yo, well I may
This
ask you a
shit.
question. What time your man a come home from work?
About 5, 6.
Take
Depends
one
on the
around four
job that he's
o'clock.
doing.
Take one
Yo, here we
around
go.
4
And
o'clock.
nobody take none of them they till about 3-4 o'clock when you know the months.
Yeah.
No, it's better to do it now. So when he come, because these is different from actual weed. When the coming down is when you feel nice.
Yo, I had this shit in my
That
drawer.
problem in a cash queen, I know that.
Look at this.
What is that, Banik?
I had this in my drawer for about 6 months.
All right.
What
so
is it?
I just realized it was there. Look at this shit.
What is it? Weed oil?
All right.
What's that?
That's weed?
Gummy bear?
No, gummies.
Oh.
Some
When I like
edible.
weed, when I like
Edible
when I do
same
weed,
way
it don't
too?
come- Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's
All them
edible.
there, you eat all one of them there, you know, you jump off of you, know?
Yeah, cause this shit been sitting there since last year.
Yeah, man, that me I tell you,
Yeah,
man.
that shit
Wait,
potent.
Right,
the
you
one
eat
is
one
the
of that,
worst?
man. That well.
Hey,
Them have
that's
a
well
teeth.
potent, bro. Hey, you take one of them Banik, you
So then why did Ross gonna make me take off
I
just
remember,
now?
yo, I remember I don't smoke or drink.
Yes,
I mean, I
this
drink,
not-
but
no,
I don't
this
smoke
Zoe,
weed.
this one didn't taste bad.
I don't even know what this shit look like.
This one didn't taste bad, Zozo.
You
Look
see?
on it. Look on it.
Oh, that
Oh,
shit look crazy. You
It
can't
have
take all
sour,
of that.
sour things on
A
it.
sour candy.
Like cat is
Yeah,
just
man.
sour. Sometimes it's sweet stuff on it. Cause mine look like
Yeah,
that. too, but-
sometimes I
I had
sweet them.
I had an edible.
But
I had
Bonnie,
an
that
edible
looks
gummy.
thick as fuck. All right, see how much grams is on it. Mine say,
Yeah, how much THC is in there, Banik?
mine
Yeah,
says
check the
250,
THC.
which is low. Mine say 250.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me turn. Let's say it's 500.
Bonnie, take half. Don't take that whole
Damn.
shit. Even Zoe,
500 milligrams.
Banik, if you take,
we have 100 milligrams.
THC
Banik,
on it,
if you was to
Banik,
take
and
one, if you was to eat that candy, don't eat that whole candy.
Eat
Eat
half.
half of.
Hold on. Look there. Look there. Look there.
Look on the back and see if it's something marked THC.
Yeah, he just told you.
Yeah, it's
500.
500.
Mine's is 250. See, mine's
Wow.
is 250. Look.
Pull it out, move out a little bit. Yeah.
You see, mine say 250. His is
Wow,
500.
that's a lot of THC.
Now, I just took half of
THC,
it.
yeah.
Look, my tolerance is very like
Original from.
I had this for months, people. My niece gave me 4, and I had this for months.
So this is supposed to mush me up, and I don't smoke either. If I eat one of these,
No, eat half, Bunny.
Eat half, Banik. Eat half. Eat half.
Eat half. I just ate half. You take
Yeah,
half.
Banik, eat
No,
all
no,
of them. See what that go on with.
no.
It's not that bad.
Yo,
It's gonna be like you smoke weed.
no. I get paranoid when I smoke weed or take edible.
Oh, then don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah,
Don't do it.
last time I took an edible, God is to tell you, last time I took an edible, I was in Phoenix.
Yeah, he was para.
In Arizona. Yo, I couldn't even leave the room. I was so high.
There.
I'm under the covers shivering in the summertime.
Hey, Banik. Here one my friend.
Crazy.
When we're there at work, just
That
stop
sounds like
talk
some
to me.
strong shit. That's crazy.
It's
That shit
500
had me so
milligrams
high.
over THC. You know how much weed that is? You know how much THC that is, Cash? And it's been
Yo, that
fermented
shit-
for 6 months. That shit strong, you fuck.
we
Banik,
went
bring
to
it over here, sir. Bring it over here. Me eat it.
we went to the dispensary and got some shit. I swear,
When your buddy a visit, goddess at nighttime without just send it with him.
You know what? You know what? Move your blood clot. You know, Cash Queen.
that shit had me so high. Yo,
Body parts take the go on road nighttime and not tell you. Cause some fuck with them are mental we don't know about. We don't know.
Right?
yeah.
No, but people, you see, like smoking weed for me, when I choke, I don't like it. And it makes my voice harsh.
You love smoke. I rather smoke it.
My voice already became raspy from doing MC. From like, when you're in the club and the kids smoke, meaning that you gotta be talking all night in the smoke. Your throat up. So my voice has changed over time with MCing. Auntie, we have a Zoe. I need some more now. Now I'm down to like.
God, 1,000 milligrams. God damn.
She's telling it's illegal. It's weed.
That's crazy. I wouldn't know what to do
Let me
with
tell you
none of it.
something. When she gave me one the other day, I took one whole one. Wasn't even remember that I took it. Because I get panic attacks with that shit too. I don't like taking nothing that's gonna make me feel crazy. And so me and my man went to IHOP. So all of a sudden, I'm like this in the place. And then I go fuck up and drink 2 cups of coffee at IHOP.
See, people like Odo, Cash Peter Banik, but that smoke with them, because people like them
my
with
man
the
start
power.
busting out laughing. Hear me to the people, them. Hurry up, get me some water. I need some
When
water.
them get power,
Yo, I was fucked up. Then I called my niece, right, Zoe? I was like, Zoe, what you give me?
Yeah, I would fuck up your
I was
high.
like, what the fuck? But let me tell you what it helped me with. When she was like, Auntie, just take half. When we was moving out the house, it made me put in work. Look at her laughing because she know. I was like, Zoe, what the fuck? It's a kick in. Why it take so long to kick in? Zoe, it's at 10:56, 9:56 time. It's not until about 12 o'clock this thing I will kick in. I don't know why it takes so long.
it takes like an hour for the edibles to kick in.
Yeah, it takes long. And they catch you off guard.
That's why I would rather smoke the
You know
weed.
what you have to drink? You know what you have to drink with it for boots it? Like a milk.
Make it You don't want boots it.
Yeah. No,
Or you drink milk with that to bumbo clot, girl.
it a bullshit.
Mighty word.
Me
I
not
don't know where the milk is, but it do it one little thing. Just
oat mango.
without smoking and drinking milk too.
Well, I'm
Or
lactose.
eat
I'm
mango. You hear that? You hear them tell you? Or
lactose.
eat mango.
I'm lactose, Dewey. I can't drink milk.
The citrus and the
But
mango.
she knows, Zoe. My niece Zoe knows because she worked for those distribution companies.
The citrus and the mango makes it stronger.
Yeah.
Really? So that's like when you drink juice.
Yeah.
It's just like even rum too. So that in the rum you fuck. But you know see what them a do with milk now upon the TikTok. Me I watch it what they are. You see me? Milk where them a make right now, a rata produce them.
You know.
I'm glad I'm lactose. I should not take milk.
Glad I'm lactose.
Yeah, but that's
Thank
why I
God.
stop drink milk, man. You hear that? Cause them a say the person when me I watch it, them a say, yo, can they have like for instance 1,000,000 cow in a lab a day? And me I say no. So them could never have blood clot and get so much milk to produce.
True.
So them a say though them can have 1,000,000 fucking rat in a lab. And me I
Yeah.
say bumbo clot, you know say this rat pussy only have one bumbo clot. This way them a use for a long time. I do all them
Rasta
experiments.
man tell you, herbal men tell you don't need milk. Body doesn't need milk.
You need no milk for the what? I'm your mama
If you
right
want to
now. I'm
make milk,
afraid
you
of that.
can make milk with. You can use like dasheen. You can use some yam. You can use coconut. There's different ways to make real natural milk.
I drink almond milk, almond or coconut milk. That's
Yeah,
what I drink.
almond.
You can do
Almond.
oat milk, and almond milk is good. I like the oat milk. And you can make oatmeal yourself. You just
Nothing that you mass produce is good for you, man.
see almond milk and oatmeal. You can make it, and you make it richer than in the store.
Yeah.
Easy to make that.
I stopped drinking regular milk years ago.
Me tell a man, say, Cash Queen, Bandic, and Brown Goddess. You know, say, since me left Jamaica, me really know, say, food or something where you have to be careful of what you fucking put in your body.
Yep,
That's a
that's
fact.
You know,
true.
man.
That's
That.
true.
Yo, you see, how some food right now, them boneless, you have to be careful of what the fuck you on them.
That's why it's
Yo, me
just
there for him. When me there for him, I name anything, you know.
See what I drink here?
Come blood clot stay there. Depth, coconut water, man. Wash off the hard coconut
No,
milk.
that's coconut milk.
Yeah, that's what I drink.
Mm.
That's what I drink. Yeah, man.
A leaf of milk, that shit is
good
expensive.
life. Someone look a skirmish guy can't even drink that.
Yo, you know how much for that bottle of milk? That bottle of milk is like almost $10 a bottle.
Yeah, one more ask, you know.
Yeah.
Brown Goddess, where are you? Turn on your camera, fam.
Well, I'm in the bathroom.
Ha!
Oh, you in a bathroom.
I'm gonna go. No, I'm
Yeah,
gonna go
watch
take a
it. You
shower.
see that? You're in a bathroom.
I'm gonna go take
Hold
a
on,
shower.
you stand on the live and say in a bathroom. You ever hear none of them pussy hole, they say them in a bathroom or them want to use the bathroom?
No,
I
Eh?
do.
no.
Okay.
I said,
So
hey,
watch your
do
style.
it.
I said this to say this. The whole of with the right, you see. Put on the phone on the ground and make it show up in our ceiling. Put on the phone,
Hey, do
man.
it.
Make it show up in our
Do it.
ceiling. You're in a
Oh.
house. You're in a house, fam. Some of them not have no way for bomb buckler live. You see what I try to show no? So no need to pay them no mind.
Chew that, do it. Chew that, baby. Chew that. Chew
You
that.
see, when me there, I do
Move
I go and
around,
vape.
Manny. Move around. Move around.
Move around, move around. Mm.
They talk about bonding. Oh, your wife put you out.
Shit, how you gonna put somebody out of a house that belongs to him? What are they talking about? They don't even make sense. If I choose
This
to
is the one.